Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this article here from Auto Evolution. So basically these they have leaked some of the images of the Tesla Model Y. This is the refresh Juniper. So we've been talking about this a lot, quite a bit, right? But so far, and this is what of the images are leaked, but it's still, we can't really see much of a detail on it. But as we can see, this is like the Gemini wheel right here, and this is the inductions here. So basically, Elon stating that they're not going to be producing this until 2025. So reason being is because he would say that otherwise people would be holding out, and not buying the 2024 Model Y. So, but here, we're going to click on some of these pictures so you can see it. Right, so the headlight, this one has a front plate, and then the fog lights, I assume. Then here somehow I don't know, maybe a reflections. It looked like it could be red seats. Right, this one here, a little bit here. They have a whole bunch of them. And this one here, they pretty much cover everything. But as you can see on the overall look from the side is still the same, because usually, like, if the car is really nice, you really don't need to do a whole lot of refresh, just like the Model 3, the front end and the rear. But the rest looks pretty, yeah, we can see lights up here, really much covered. The induction wheel right here, black color, but not much, right? Little bumper here. So, but basically what it tells us is that they are, and right now we are believing that Tesla will be producing all of this vehicle at their four factories. So, and some of these vehicles here, they've been seen in Spain and in the US and in Shanghai as well too. So the refresh is coming. So if you guys are not in a hurry to buy a Model Y, I suggest you guys wait. Maybe until next year. Tesla usually began 2025 model about, I think, November already. But again, you never know. What Tesla does is they don't follow the guidelines. So whenever the new model, maybe January, who knows, right? But yeah, so hopefully if it looks like the Model 3 the refresh Model 3, and just slap it on the Model Y, it's not bad at all. It's really nice. I like it. Yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. Other than that, be safe, take care, till next time.